In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize invoice templates in Zoho Books. Zoho Books provides a seamless experience for managing your financial transactions, and customizing your invoice templates can add a professional touch to your business documents, ensuring that they reflect your brand identity. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you want to be logged into your Zoho Books account. When you're at your dashboard, which is essentially your home base where you can see an overview of your financial data, go ahead and click on the settings located at the top right corner of your screen. The settings menu is where you can access various customization options, among other features. Once you're there, look for the option labeled PDF Templates and click on it. This section houses all the templates available for customization, including invoices, credit notes, and delivery challenges. Next, you'll need to choose the type of template you want to work with. In our case, we're focusing on invoices. Scroll through the list of available templates until you find one that suits your needs. Selecting a template is crucial because it serves as the foundation for your customizations. After selecting your template, click on Edit. Now, you're ready to modify the template according to your preferences. One of the first customizations you can make is choosing a color theme. This option allows you to align the template's color scheme with your company's branding colors. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure consistency in all your customer communications. After setting your color theme, the next feature you'll dive into is template properties. Here you can adjust various aspects, such as the font style and size, which can impact the readability and overall aesthetic of your invoice. Once you're happy with the general appearance, go ahead and click on Header and Footer. This section allows you to modify what appears at the top and bottom of your invoice, such as adding your company logo in the header or footer notes like payment terms and conditions. Then proceed to transaction details. This area lets you configure how transaction-specific information is displayed, including invoice numbers, dates, and any other pertinent details that your client will need to see. Moving along, the table section is where you can dig into how line item details are laid out. This includes descriptions of services or products, quantities, rates, and individual line totals. Make sure this section is clear and well organized to prevent any confusion for your customers. After that, proceed to the total section to ensure that all sums are correctly accounted for, including any applicable taxes or discounts. Review the other details section where you can add additional notes or terms that aren't covered elsewhere. Finally, once you've made all your desired changes, be sure to click on Save. This will ensure all your customizations are applied to future invoices generated from Zoho Books. And there you have it. You've created and customized an invoice template in Zoho Books, providing a tailored and professional touch to your business communications. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.